Can I call you Rose? Cause you're sweet like a flower in bloom. Can I call you Rose?
Guys, time check, it's already 3:30 in the morning, and at 4 o'clock I will be off early for my work. Yes, I'm still working. And babiyahin na kami papuntang Siargao. And I have to leave, or we have to leave by 4:30 because magla-land trip lang kami. Hindi kami mag-airplane kasi we have to go to Cebu pa or sabi. And hindi po namin naplanuhan to ng maaga pa. So, we had the decision, like, impulsive I guess, because we only had a week to decide whether to go or not. Kasi first option namin is Bohol talaga. So, today is August 2nd, and yesterday we celebrated our first anniversary with my boyfriend, pero nothing special actually kasi nga doon namin plan mag-celebrate sa Siargao. And I'm really excited right now. We'll be staying there for 3 nights in 4 days. Stay tuned. Be with us with this gala area. Hey guys, so yeah, we're finally going. Maybe we'll get to the faster. Say hi to my vlog. So yun guys, sinating nga lang kami ni ate sa terminal, and yes, sa metro kami sumakay papuntang Sugod, Southern Leyte. And we are here na nga guys sa Laluan Port. So I wasn't able to film a video on our way here kasi nga natulog lang ako like the entire biyahe kasi nga I just got off from work, and yes, kailangan ko matulog. So, andito na nga kami guys sa Surigao Port. Ang ganda ng port nila, ang linis at ang laki. And finally, andito na kami sa Davao, Siargao. It took only 2 hours pala to get here from Surigao Port, guys. Grabe, ang press ko ng hangin dito sa Siargao, guys. Kahit saan ka tumingin, napaka-green talaga ng surroundings. So, for our first activity here in Siargao, syempre mag-island hopping tayo. So, before kami umalis guys, syempre nag-orient lang yung tour guide namin sa about sa tour namin at sa mga gagawin namin. And after that, andito na kami sa first destination namin, which is the Naked Island. So as you can see guys, nandito lang kami sa bangka kasi napakainit po sa Naked Island. Talagang walang trees, as in literal na naked guys. Pero naligo naman kami 30 minutes before kami aalis, pero dun lang sa baba sa bangka kasi nga ang init-init. So, dito na nga po kami sa pangalawang island, which is the Daco Island. Dito po kami mag-stay for 1 hour, and we're going to have our lunch here as well. Daco po yung pangalan ng island kasi ito yung pinakamalaking island. Hey guys, we have just arrived in Daco Island.
Hi vlog.
Pagkatapos namin kumain, dito lang kami, nakipaglaro kami ng volleyball while naghihintay ng oras para pumunta na naman kami sa ibang location ng tour namin. Shoutout din pala sa mga nakalaro namin dyan ng volleyball. Thank you kasi pinalaro nyo kami. Dapat sana kasi nagpapahinga lang kami kasi nag-aantay lang kami ng oras, pero yun, nainggit kami. So yun, sumali na lang kami. Andito na nga kami ngayon sa Secret Sun Bar. This is our third spot for our tour. And ang ganda-ganda dito guys. Hey guys, we're now in Secret.
Nice.
Secret Sun Bar. Like we're in the middle of the ocean, and look, it's not hindi siya malalim. Like I can literally walk here. Yes. So supposedly our last island or our last stop is Budap Island, but the tour guide said that hindi kami makaligo doon kasi it's too shallow. So
excited guys, and we're only staying for 30 minutes, so we're going to enjoy this because this is the last time that we will be coming, because again we can't swim in Buyat Island. Shallow.
And now we're here in Guyam Island, guys. This is the last island na kasama sa island tour.
Hey guys, we are in Buyam Island. So this is the last island na kasama sa tour. And pagkatapos ito umuwi kami. Sorry.
Sa lahat ng napuntahan naming island, guys, dito talaga ko mas nagandahan kasi ang cozy lang ng place niya and ang ganda din talaga. And since waiting game na naman kami, guys, eto nag-snack lang kami and guys, ang ganda at ang sarap ng mga pagkain nila dito. And in-enjoy lang namin yung mga sceneries. So this is their famous dako burger. Literal na dako gid siya, guys. Kita ko kay siya pati and lamig gid kayo siya. So mao to siya, guys, for today's video. Magkita-kita ta sa sunod na mga video. Syempre abangan na ninyo nga sa video no daw po jud kayo, and stay tuned. Bye.